Hey everyone, it's Hendash. Welcome back to the Nars YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create the everyday orgasm glow. You guys know that Nars Orgasm is one of my all-time favorite collections. There's so many versatility in the shades and the products within the range, and I'm going to be showing you how to create multi-dimensional looks that are still very easy, that you can bump up and dial down. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful everyday orgasm glow on Yelena, then please keep watching and enjoy. Alright, so here we have the beautiful Yelena, and I have done all my skincare and base off camera, so ready for color. And I'm going to be starting by prepping her lips with the Nars Afterglow Lip Balm in Orgasm, and this is just going to give me that really nice hydration, a hint of color, and then we're going to finish off with this in the end as well. But for now, I'm using it as lip prep. And as you can see, it comes in the iconic Nars Orgasm shade, and it gives the lips that healthy glow with a hint of pink. Next, I'm going to be adding a liquid blush, and this is the Nars Liquid Blush in Orgasm. I'm going to be applying that on a palette or the back of my hand, and taking a brush, I'm going to be working that in the brush and applying a thin, even layer, starting high up on the cheekbones, and then working my way to the apples of the cheeks. I'm going to stipple this on and really blend it in with that base or your skin, taking a bit of whatever is left on the brush down the nose to give me that beautiful, healthy, sun-kissed glow, and really melt into the skin. Taking whatever is left on the forehead as well, just a tiny bit. And this is just going to add that really fresh, healthy look. Next, I'm going to be taking the Multiple in Orgasm, and I'm taking a bit of that on the eyelids as a base. And you can even wear this on its own and just tap it on for a very quick, fresh look. But again, I'm using this as a base, and then I'm going to be going in with eyeshadows on top of this. And for eyeshadow, I'm taking the Quad in Orgasm, and I'm starting off with the matte shade and working that on the outer crease and bringing it in. So focusing that on the outer V of the eye and blending it in with a fluffy brush. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to really blend this out and extend it and kind of smoke it outwards, because this is really going to work with Yelena's eye shape. So take your time and blend in circular motions. You really want that diffused, blown out color. And with whatever is left on the brush, I'm going to be bringing it into the crease. Next, I'm going to be taking a clean brush and just blending in the outer edges and making sure that everything is seamless. Next, I'm going to be going in with a pencil brush with that same matte color and just intensifying the lash line and adding that on the lower lash line as well, from the outer lash line, focusing it on the outer corners and the inner corners. You can keep the center free or just go ahead and cover it, because we're going to be adding shimmer as well. I like to keep it a tiny bit free so that the shimmer has more of a lighter background. Next, I'm going to be taking the pinky shimmer in the palette and then pressing that on the eyelids with my finger, because that's going to give me that beautiful payoff. And as you can see, it almost looks like glass skin on the lids. And then with the pencil brush, I'm going to be taking that champagne color and popping that on the inner corners to really brighten. And then going back in with the pinky shimmer and adding that on the lower lash line on the center only, to really emphasize and create sort of a halo eye. Next, I'm going to be taking the darkest shimmer, which is more of like a glittery topper, and I'm going to be applying that with my fingers again and just dabbing it lightly all over the eyelids, in the center and the inner corner, just to give me that diffused shimmer. To finish off the eyes, I'm going to be taking the Nars Climax Extreme Mascara, and I'm going to be applying a generous layer on the top lashes, focusing on the inner corners of the lashes, and applying that on the lower lashes as well. For blush, I'm going to be taking the Nars Orgasm X Blush, which is a more intense version of Orgasm, and I'm going to be applying that over the cream blush to kind of set it and add that extra glow and extra dimension and that beautiful flush of color. So sort of tracing where I did the cream blush, so high up on the cheekbones and bringing in whatever is left on the brush on the apples of the cheeks. And I love placing the blush high up and almost connecting it with the eyeshadow, that way we get a really complete color story. And then I'm going to be finishing off with the Afterglow Lip Balm and Orgasm again, and just really layer that on, and that's going to give me that beautiful intensity and shine. And that is a final look on Yelena. It's super easy to do, it's very easy to follow, and you're gonna get this very universal, flattering, glam makeup look that you can dial up or kind of dial down. And what I love about the eyes as well is you can kind of pick any of these colors and just wear them on its own, and it'll create a complete look, but a more simplified version. But I'm just showing you how to create its full potential in a very easy to follow way. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to subscribe to the Nars YouTube channel to see more of these videos, and I'll see you later. Bye.